Legal Aid ACT's Family Violence and Personal Protection Unit is a free legal service dedicated to helping people with any family violence-related matters. In the ACT, the legal definition of family violence is quite broad. The law recognises that family violence is not just physical violence. It can include a range of behaviours that cause someone to feel fearful. In this video, we are going to break down one form of family violence, and that is coercion. Coercion is behaviours that control or dominate a family member and cause a family member to feel fear for the safety or well-being of themselves or another person. So what does coercion actually look like in real life? Here are some examples. Threatening a family member that they will self-harm in order to cause that family member to behave in a certain way. For example, threatening self-harm to prevent an intimate partner from ending the relationship. Causing a family member to feel fearful for their physical safety in order to cause them to behave in a certain way. For example, being physically intimidating or aggressive to scare a family member into doing something or not doing something. Cancelling a family member's visa without their consent, or threatening to cancel a family member's visa to cause that family member to behave in a certain way. Stalking a family member or checking up on them constantly to make a family member feel fearful of engaging with certain people or services or from going to particular places. These are just some examples of behaviours that may constitute family violence in the form of coercive behaviour. If you are experiencing behaviour that you think may be coercive behaviour, or any behaviour at all that causes you to feel controlled or unsafe, you may wish to contact Legal Aid ACT's Family Violence and Personal Protection Unit for free advice on what legal options you have, including the option of obtaining an interim family violence order. To find out more about what an interim family violence order is, you can watch our short video titled, "What is an interim family violence order?" which can be found on our Facebook page or YouTube channel. Our Family Violence and Personal Protection Unit operates from the ACT Magistrates Court every weekday from 9 a.m. You can drop into our physical office at the Magistrates Court or call our free Legal Aid ACT helpline on 1300 654 314 to speak with a family violence lawyer over the phone. For non-legal support, you can contact the Domestic Violence Crisis Service, also known as DVCS, on their 24-hour crisis hotline on 6280-0900. If you need urgent assistance or if your immediate safety is at risk, please call emergency services on 000.